Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one involves someone doing the disco mirror trend. So you can get these little disco mirrors from Amazon. They come in like a little mosaic look. And then we have a wall mirror DIY. Now this of course is a very popular TikTok trend. And I believe she got these mirrors from Walmart. They're very inexpensive. You stack them together and make like a high-end mirror wall. Oh wow, this is like the perfect space for this trend too. She did an amazing job. And I love the way she's decorating the area. Very nice. Just elevates the space. And then we have someone doing a tufted headboard made out of some pool noodles. So it is officially about to be pool noodle season. You can check out some of my other videos that do feature some different ways that you can use pool noodles in some DIY projects. They're such an easy item to use, and it can be a lot of fun creating some home decor this season. So they went with black velvet here. Wow, that looks amazing. Saved a ton of money because those headboards can be very expensive. So here we have an IKEA furniture flip. So she's using some type of Gorilla Glue product. Oh, I like the beige color she went with here. Nice, simple, pretty aesthetic. She pretty much just probably painted it, added some wood pieces for some texture, and then of course did some hardware there. Very nice. Okay, so here's more details. So she does go in adding that trim. I like it when we get the details of projects instead of just having to guess what it is that they did, especially if it's something that you want to go ahead and replicate yourself. You want to know all the details. So no details on what color this is, but I think it looks really pretty. And then we have some more shelves. Okay, so they're doing kind of like a rounded look to this. It's spray painting it black. Oh, very nice. Put it right above the couch. As long as you know how to work with wood, that would be an easy project to do. So here we have another furniture flip here. Looks like they're using some type of, transfer. Okay, so transfer paper. Loving this design. Wow, this is really pretty. The gold against like this greenish turquoisey color. That really creates like a really unique piece. Wow. Very cool. I think maybe it would have looked a little bit better if they would have just did the top portion and then left the rest the base color. So it looks like we have some type of vase design here, or planter. Oh, it's a strawberry. Oh, that's cool. Especially if you're like obsessed and love strawberries, this would be like a cute little design. You put a succulent in that. Very nice. Make furniture out of water bottles with me. Okay, so we have a recycling DIY. Wouldn't this be cool if someone turned like plastic bottles into a table? Oh, wow. That would be just like one of the coolest projects I think I've ever seen. Okay, so she's turning this into what appears to be like an ottoman. Wow, that's pretty cool too. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me and my reactions to them. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.